This LED bulb is fused. Most people will throw it away immediately. But if a 90s kid finds this bulb, he doesn't throw it. He gets curious. He asks, how does this work? 90s kids didn't grow up with tutorials. We learned by opening things, by breaking things, and by asking one simple question: why did this stop working? Every broken gadget was a mystery waiting to be solved. And by the way, most people forget there's a like button on YouTube. If this reminds you of your childhood, don't forget to tap it. This bulb stopped glowing one day. People call it fused. But experience teaches something else. Many LED bulbs fail because of the driver, not because of the LED. So maybe the filament can still work. I carefully broke the glass. Inside I found filament LEDs. Thin, fragile, but still interesting. It felt like holding a tiny secret. I could almost imagine how it glowed inside the bulb before it stopped working. "3 volts with 2 AA batteries. Nothing. Not a single LED glowed. I realized these LEDs were tricky. They come in various voltages, and unfortunately, it wasn't mentioned anywhere on the bulb. So I had to experiment. I tried different DC voltages one by one, hoping something would finally work. Still nothing. It felt like chasing a hidden secret inside these tiny filaments. With every attempt, my curiosity grew. Each failure taught me something new. I checked the connections, adjusted the wires, tried different setups. I took the scissors and carefully cut the filament LEDs from the holder. Each filament was so thin and delicate, I had to be extra careful. Subscribing to this channel is free. We don't sell anything here. Just memories, learning, and experiments. The bulb was called dead, but the LED was still alive. This little filament taught me patience, observation, and the thrill of discovery. If you ever tried experiments like this as a kid, comment below and tell me what you tried. I'd love to hear your stories, and if this brought back memories, share this video with your 90s classmates. They'll understand this feeling. Each filament had its own story to tell. Next, I connected each LED separately to my external power supply. Nothing happened. 12 volts with a travel adapter. Finally, after testing a few more voltages, I grabbed my 48-volt DC power supply from my toolkit. My hands were shaking a little. Would this finally be the one? And then it glowed. I carefully connected the filament. Subscribe for more moments like this. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and never stop being curious.